in the next 10 seconds. Are you struggling with tooth decay and looking for natural ways to address it? Tooth decay, also known as dental caries, is a common issue that can lead to cavities, tooth sensitivity, and even tooth loss if left untreated. While modern dentistry offers many solutions, natural remedies can also play an essential role in maintaining oral health and preventing further decay. In this video, we'll explore various natural approaches that can help you manage and even reverse tooth decay right from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into these effective remedies and simple practices to protect your teeth and smile. Understanding tooth decay. Tooth decay occurs when acids produced by bacteria in the mouth attack the enamel, the outer protective layer of the teeth. This acid is usually produced from the breakdown of sugars found in the food we consume. Over time, continuous exposure to acid can wear down the enamel, creating holes known as cavities. Some common signs of tooth decay include sensitivity, pain when eating sweets or hot/cold food, and visible spots on the teeth. 1. Oil pulling. An ancient Ayurvedic technique, oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Coconut oil is known for its antibacterial properties, which can help reduce the harmful bacteria that cause plaque and decay. Do this daily before breakfast for the best results. 2. Calcium-rich diet. Calcium is vital for strong teeth. Consuming calcium-rich foods such as dairy, leafy greens, almonds, and fortified plant-based milk can help remineralize your teeth, making them more resistant to decay. Additionally, these foods support enamel restoration and protect teeth from further erosion. 3. Baking soda toothpaste. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and alkaline, which helps neutralize acids in the mouth. Using a small amount of baking soda mixed with water as a toothpaste can gently scrub away plaque, prevent further decay, and reduce acidity in the mouth. However, avoid using it excessively to protect your enamel. 4. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera's antibacterial properties make it an excellent natural remedy for oral health. Apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel directly to the affected area or use it as a mouthwash by diluting it with water. Aloe vera can help reduce bacteria and inflammation, protecting your teeth from decay. 5. Green tea rinse. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and bacterial growth in the mouth. Drinking green tea or using it as a mouth rinse may help decrease plaque formation, strengthen enamel, and reduce the acidity that contributes to tooth decay. 6. Clove oil. Clove oil is a powerful antiseptic with natural pain-relieving properties, making it effective against tooth pain and decay. Dab a small amount of clove oil on a cotton ball and apply it directly to the affected tooth. This can help ease pain and prevent bacterial growth, protecting the tooth from further damage. 7. Xylitol chewing gum. Xylitol is a natural sugar substitute that helps reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth. Chewing xylitol gum can increase saliva production, neutralize acids, and reduce plaque formation. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for reducing the risk of tooth decay. 8. Hydrogen peroxide rinse. Dilute a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution with equal parts water and use it as a mouth rinse. This rinse has antibacterial properties that can help kill harmful bacteria, decrease plaque, and reduce tooth decay. Use this solution once a week for best results. 9. Vitamin D and sun exposure. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which is crucial for strong, healthy teeth. Getting adequate sunlight exposure or supplementing with vitamin D can support remineralization, making your teeth more resilient to decay and breakdown. 10. Good oral hygiene practices. One of the most effective ways to prevent and control tooth decay is by maintaining good oral hygiene. Brush twice daily with fluoride toothpaste, floss daily, and consider using an alcohol-free mouthwash. Good hygiene practices prevent plaque buildup and bacterial growth, protecting your teeth from decay. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can help you protect your teeth, avoid the development of new cavities, and manage tooth decay effectively. However, it's essential to visit your dentist regularly to monitor your oral health. Remember, natural remedies can work as a supportive measure, but they shouldn't replace professional dental care. Try these methods to keep your teeth strong and healthy, and let us know which remedy worked best for you. If you are still watching, then you are very serious to improve your teeth and gum problem, then you are at right place. Here's something special for you. Listen it with very carefully. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.